Who is Joy?
You guys are very good.
Take your neck up.
It's okay.
Yeah. Baby,
Yes, honey.
who is Joy? Stop. Don't move. Stop.
Wait, Joy.
Don't move. Stop. Don't move. Drop your hand.
Joy is just my secretary.
Drop your hand. Drop your hand. Exactly. Because I saw her a message on your WhatsApp.
Wait.
Don't
Now.
move my hand.
Wait.
You see what is on your neck?
A question now. Let me explain.
Wait.
No.
Do you know I'm shaving you? You know that, right?
Now,
Then wait, let me shave you in peace. Wait.
I'm not comfortable. It's like the blade is too sharp
Wait.
now.
Just answer the question. Drop your hand.
You're a bad boy.
Good. Remember, I'm trying to make you look beautiful. Just wait.
Joy,
Drop
wait
your hand.
now.
Drop your
I
hand.
cannot talk the way I am now.
You
because
can
your
talk
hand is
very
close to
well.
my neck.
You've been talking like this since. So wait. Let me make you look beautiful at the same time.
And
You explain who's
I
Joy.
will go to the barber. I don't think you should be doing this thing for me.
Wait. Don't move. Explain who is Joy.
Joy, wait now. I can't talk the way you are now. You put this thing here. How can I talk very well?
Baby, who is